Morning, busy day. Earnings yesterday. Some big tech giants reported earnings. Let's start off. Before that, just touch on real quickly the ADP job numbers. The U.S. job numbers came out. Looks like there was a lot of job hiring in the U.S. Also, the futures today relatively flat. Yesterday was a huge day, up about 500 points in the U.S. But earnings is front and center. It's almost like it was Groundhog Day yesterday because these tech giants reported really strong earnings. So let's start with Amazon. The story there is Jeff Bezos has announced that he's going to leave his post sometime this year, and he's going to give over the helm, if you will, to Andy Jassy. Now, Andy Jassy is the guy who took AWS, that's the web services, Amazon, and kind of was the heir apparent, and he's been tabbed to be the next CEO. The stock, earnings-wise, did really good, $14 per share versus expected of $7. I was kind of hoping the stock would be up a ton this morning, but obviously the market thinks this is bad news that Jeff Bezos is leaving. So the stock is only up a few percentage points. Let's take a look real quick at Google. Google reported earnings. Another really strong quarter by Google. These guys just keep hitting home runs. Earnings came in at $22 per share versus expected $15 per share. That stock is going to be up about 7% in pre-market trading. Pretty much all the numbers were good across the board. Cloud was a little down, but I mean, if you're getting $22 a share versus 15, you did something well. So that stock is going to be up 7% pre-market trading. A couple other stories I'm following. The short squeeze, I'll just give you the latest on that. GameStop. So basically, GameStop kind of unraveled here over the last couple of days, down about 70% the last 2 days. This morning, it's down a little bit. You know, who knows how long the owners of those shares that have made a ton of money can hold on. You know, the unraveling is likely to continue to happen, I would imagine. That's what most analysts are saying. Anyways, Sony, the story there, they delivered a ton of PS5s. That stock is up big, way more than expected. Now, the problem with Sony is that they have a bit of a limited supply of chips, semiconductors. So that's actually impacting how many they could sell. Let's take a look at the pre-market numbers before we get into it here. At the end of the day, I know that the Dow futures relatively flat. If we take a look at the Dow futures, they're flat, right around 0 points. If we take a look at gold had a really good day. Just having a problem here pulling up the board. And we will see you guys tomorrow. All right, thanks. Have a good night, guys.